Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Forney Easyweld 298 Arc Welder. The Easyweld 298 from Forney can weld 16 gauge up to 5 by 16 inch. It is the perfect welder for the amateur or hobbyist as it is durable and easy to use. This unit has a 120V input and maximum amperage of 90A, making it ideal for automotive and household applications. Lightweight welder, easy to use, portable. 100 SD stick welder features an innovative inverter power system that is lightweight and simple to use, ensuring hassle-free operation and top performance results. The perfect starter arc welder machine delivers a 120 volts input and 90A output plus is TIG capable, sold separately. Our second best arc welder for beginners is Lotus TIG 200 Arc Welder. This is the best TIG welder for the beginner welder. It has enough settings to give room for progressing. This one is affordable, and one of the easiest TIG machines to start on. It's suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and other metal materials. TIG 200 square wave inverter enables accurate welding of fine aluminum. HF start hand torch control and precise foot pedal welding heat control. This compact, dual voltage, versatile TIG 200 offers user a simple array of controls to accurately set the welder to perform under a wide variety of situations. Its square wave inverter enables accurate welding of fine aluminum. It allows user to easily switch from 220V to 110V with the included adapter plug, and produces AC or DC 200 amps for TIG and stick welding. It is perfect for a professional or a weekend enthusiast who is looking to get industrial quality features in a hardworking, affordable welder. Third pick in our list is Forney Easyweld 271 MultiProcess Welder. This machine is set up to do flux core welding but can easily be switched to run mild steel with gas setup. At 140 amps, you can weld up to 1/4 inch mild steel in a single pass. Regulator and hose sold separately. The 3-in-1 nature of this machine makes it capable of DC TIG welding. To use this process, you will need to purchase the appropriate torch, regulator, hose, tungsten electrodes and gas separately. The Forney Easyweld 140 MP can easily run stick electrodes. A stinger and ground clamp are included with your machine for this process. This unit can weld with electrodes up to 1/8 inch. All metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. Full metal wire drive assembly. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney Easyweld 140 MP. It's capable of MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a single-phase inverter multi-process welder. The input is 120 volts and the max output is 140 amps. This machine comes with a quick start guide, manual, and Forney contact info in case you have questions. It also comes with a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, MIG gun, an extra 030 contact tip, stick electrode holder, ground cable, and clamp. The selector switch allows you to choose MIG, stick, or TIG welding. The left knob is for voltage and amps depending on what mode you're in. This machine is designed to hold 10 pounds of gas or gasless wire. The right knob is for the wire feed speed while in MIG or wire feed mode. If you want to use shielding gas for true MIG welding, you will also need to purchase a regulator and a gas line. We recommend item numbers 85363 and 85663 as they are not included with this machine. If you want to TIG weld, this is a lift arc TIG machine and the TIG torch is sold separately. For stick welding, you can use up to 1/8 inch electrode. That sums up the Forney Easyweld 140 MP. This is the perfect machine to learn the basics of welding and get experience with different processes. It's ideal for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, hobbyists, and metal artists. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like denim or cotton, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and FR jacket.
Number 4 in our side is MIG 155 GSV Arc Welder. This is one of the powerful and 3-in-1 machine that can run gas MIG, flux core and stick processes, which is ideal for beginners to start practicing with. Easy setup, awesome little welder for the money. MIG on 110 welded 1/4 inch like butter and super smooth clean no splatter weld. Easy to set up and use. Completely adjustable voltage and wire speeds, good price and very light when moving around. Very capable quality welder that can run on either 110 or 115 and 220 or 230 volts, which makes this a true workhorse with a completely portable footprint. Comes complete as pictured, ready for you to start welding. Comfortably welds up to 1x4 inches mild steel that is properly prepared using 220 volt input, in both MIG, flux cord and stick welding. Feeds wire at 78 inches to 396 inches per minute and has infinitely adjustable wire speed and heat settings. This welder does not use tap controls that are found in cheaper machines. This model uses an advanced compact IGBT inverter design with automatic overheat and overcurrent welding protection. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, it's Luke from Weld Pro. Today, I'm here with part 1 of the MIG 155 series, where we're gonna unbox this thing and show you exactly what comes in the package. When you receive your welder, it'll be in a brown box like this. Let's go ahead and open this up and see exactly what comes in the box. The first thing you'll find in the top of the box is the manual. Keep this at a minimum for reference when you're setting up. There will be some large protective chunks of foam in your box. Go ahead and just set these aside. This box will contain all of our parts and accessories. We've gone ahead and taken everything out of the box, and we've got the machine on the table. I'm super excited to look over this, but let's go ahead and look through the accessory box first. We've got lots of different goodies in this box. We'll start with an electrode holder or a stinger for stick welding. The beauty of the 155 is it also runs stick very well. Next, we find our ground clamp. These ground clamps are great. They have nice strong springs and make great contact with your workpiece. We also have the gas hose to go from our tank to our MIG welder. This adapter that comes with your machine allows the 240 volt plug to plug in, and then you plug the other into any standard 110 volt wall outlet. The MIG 155 also comes with a small spool of self-shielded flux core wire. This will help you get started welding. In this white box, we have our flow meter. This will help to regulate the gas flow from your high pressure cylinder down to your MIG welder. Leave this in the box for now so it's protected. We'll show you how to set this up in part 2. All right, the small clear bag we got came with a few different things. There's a multi-purpose wrench in there to help you install and remove contact tips and other parts on the MIG 155. There's also 2 contact tips, sized 035 and 030. These will accommodate multiple different wire sizes that you'll use in this welder. You'll also find a small spool tensioning spring in the bag. We'll show you what this is for in part 2. And lastly, we have 2 drive rolls. These are the small rolls that feed the wire through the MIG welding gun. You'll notice that one of these rolls is smooth and one of these rolls is knurled. Knurled drive rolls are used to push flux core wire, while smooth drive rolls are used to push a solid MIG wire. We'll explain a little more about drive rolls in part 2 where we set this up. You'll immediately notice that the power cord and the MIG gun come pre-installed on the MIG 155. Go ahead and untwist this cable. We don't want to have any kinks in it. Now that we have our machine and all of our components laid out in front of us, this is a great time to go ahead and put the welder together. Join us for part 2 of the 155 series, where we show you how to completely assemble this machine and get ready to weld.
Number 5 in our top 5 best arc welder list is Hobart 500,570 arc welder. It's a high quality machine. This machine features an infinitely adjustable amps control with 1 amp increments. The most dependable, portable, powerful stick welder, easy, quick, and reliable arc starts with hot start technology. DC output means fewer arc outages, less sticking, less spatter and best arc control. DC is the preferred output for the stick welding process. It's portable so it's easier to carry and store. Advanced design makes the Hobart Stickmate 160i arc welder powerful enough to weld up to 1/4 inch thick steel while weighing less than 20 pounds. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.